Step one is all about clarity. Before even you touch a spreadsheet or run a report, you need to step back and ask yourself one powerful question. What's bothering me the most right now? This is exact starting point we use at Latcher Labs. Many times we meet with clients, they have multiple problems at their hand, but we have to prioritize their problem. We cannot really tackle each and every problem at one go. So before until because until you surface the real pain points, you are just reacting. You are not tackling it strategically. So start with the symptoms, as Alison already mentioned about some of the common pain points we have heard from our clients. Like maybe we can take up a couple of pain points, like we are growing, but there's no money in the bank. We are overstocked, even though sales are strong, and we are buying carefully. Our margins on paper look great, but why don't I see that money in my net profits? These are just symptoms. Your job is to write all of them down. Don't filter, don't judge, just get them out. Now, you have to prioritize them. So don't try to fix everything at once. As I said, focus just on two or three issues, the ones that are bleeding money, draining your time, or threatening your survival. Like in a medical emergency, the first step is always to stop the bleeding. In business, that means profit leakages or cash flow problems. In fact, they usually go hand in hand. Finally, every pain point needs to be tied to a number. You can't measure if you cannot manage it, and you certainly cannot improve it. So, coming to the next slide, let's walk through a few quick examples. For example, let's talk about this problem. We are growing, but there's no money in the bank. The metrics that would be helpful for you would be cash flow, inventory movement, or outstanding AR. If you're saying we are overstocked, even though the sales are strong, then maybe inventory aging report, return processing time, true cost of returns are likely the key numbers that you may want to explore. If the concern is your margins look strong on paper, but we are not making much profit, then think in terms of return on inventory, high holding cost of inventory, finance-related expenses. I mean, we are not diving into these reports just yet. That comes in step two. But for now, your goal is to turn each of these pain points into something quantifiable. Because once it becomes measurable, it becomes actionable.